Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change name on TikTok. Okay, let's start the video. First, open your TikTok account. Now click on profile icon. Now click on edit. And then click on name. Now choose any name. Now choose your favorite name and click on save. Finally, change your name on TikTok. I hope solve your problem. Subscribe if you like the video. Thank you.